Okay, so to get the door panel off, first thing we're going to do is put the window down so we can have access to work. Grab this piece and pull it out. There we go. You can see it's held on by just this one clip. And it's got these little alignment pins, a little clip here. So just grab it and pull it off. Next thing we're going to do is pull off this cover here, and it's probably going to break like it always does. It's like a one-time use. You can use super glue to put it back in there, just a little drop of super glue. We're going to grab it from the rear side. This is the hinge, which usually breaks. We'll grab it from the back side and try and open the door. So like a little cover. I've got super glue in there, so it's probably going to be difficult to get out. There we go. So save that little piece so you can super glue it back on. Number 2 Phillips. Take that screw out. And then push it towards the front of the car. It's just like my last video I did on replacing the one on the driver's side. So inside there, got some light here. That little purple clip, you want to just swivel it. This will go counterclockwise, about a quarter turn to get it off that rod. I just swiveled it a quarter turn. Now we can lower this down, get that rod to pop up. Let me get a screwdriver. I'll just move that up. Pop that little rod up. There you go. There, it's off. It's just a little rod there. Depress this one clip, this electrical connector. There we go, and it's off. Okay, so now down here, we have one screw here, number 2 Phillips. I think that's loose. Yeah. Okay, now we're just going to start grabbing all around the door. There's going to be an electrical connector for the window switch and one for this light on the back side. Here on the back side, there's the window switch and light connector. So just unplug those 2 connectors. Okay, so on the window switch, we just squeezed the little push tab, which is right here. There's a push tab, and pulled it out. This just holds the wire in the door right there. And then this bulb, you just turn a quarter turn to release it. And now I got the door card completely off. Door panel is off. Here's that screw that was in the bottom of the armrest. Fell out. See, it's number 2 Phillips, or you could use a socket wrench, but number 2 Phillips. Now you just have to peel this off. People always go in here with razor blades on old cars. It's like, don't do that. Peel it off carefully. You're going to have to re-stick that on there. That's to keep moisture coming down on the window from getting onto the door panel. Okay? Okay, now we're going to put the door panel back on. That's got it laying on a bucket. Take this bulb, put it in a 1/4 turn. There we go. That is in. Now for our window switch. That's in. There we go. Now we're going to get this edge on there. And get that little lock lever through there. There we go. Pull this wire through the door handle, and then feel around the door and line up the little plastic pins and pop them into place. And take your armrest bolt, number 2 Phillips. This piece just lined up with that. And that's all there is to that. This piece, turn this around, put your little rod J hook in there, and take a screwdriver and flip that closed so it locks on the rod. So let's plug this in. There we go. Get some light camera in there and show you. There we go. We've got that clipped on there. And you see the direction of these hooks. So we start out at the front of the door, push it in, and push towards the back of the door. Take our little number 2 Phillips screw, screw that in. On here we'll put just a little dab of super glue. Take our finger and just place that back on. It'll dry real quick. That's it. Okay, so we took some super glue, the smallest little dab on there on the back of this, and just pressed it in, and it actually snapped in tightly, so that should be there for good till we have to open the door again next time. So that's job done. Here's the tools I used. Number 2 Phillips, a flathead, and a little prying hook. You can use a small screwdriver if you don't have one of those. That's all there is to removing the door panel